everyone, this is Kara Rickman from Create Your Balance with Literacy, and I'm going to show you my kitchen farmhouse center today. And if you are a homeschooled mom or homeschool teacher and you would like to have a cooking center at home, this is perfect for you and your kiddos. So first of all, you probably need a big table either at home or in your classroom. And I have a tablecloth on here, and since my theme is farmhouse with sunflowers, this is the theme that I have in my classroom, then my colors are teal and my accents are sunflowers. So all the food that you see here and the food and supplies I have ordered on Amazon from Melissa and Doug. So if you can see right here, I have a cooktop and it's got the pots and pans and it has the spoons and it has the salt and pepper and olive oil over here. And I have these crates that you see. I got those from Walmart. And the trays I ordered online from Amazon. And so I have a tray of ice cream food. I have a tray of sandwich food. Over here I have a tray of pizza food. I have a tray of tacos and burritos here. And then a tray down here for recipe cards and another recipe card down here too. I'll show you in just a minute. I have this platform right here that's on a cake platter stand. And so what I did was I have these cards, and inside the resource, I have these cards that say first, then next, and last. And so what I did was I took the Velcro and I put Velcro on the back of the card. I laminated them and I'm sticking them on the board here. So the students can sequence their recipe from the recipe cards. So inside of this box, I have recipe cards. Now you can either put these in a plastic baggie. You could punch a hole in the side like I did right here and put a ring at the top, whatever you want to do. So you can have cards that are inside of each basket, and on the basket I have these labels, and so these are also in the resource. So the kids are they're going to sequence the cards, and then what they can do is they can take out this recipe card right here. And this is what they can write on, and so they can put the ingredients and supplies. They can put recipe 4, so they can write whatever they're making, put the ingredients and supplies, and then they're going to write the first, then, next, and last. So they're going to use these cards here. They're going to draw the pictures in each box. They're going to write the sentences for each part, and then they can write the ingredients and supplies they need for the recipe. So that's one option that you can have them do, and this is a generic one they can use for anything. Also, here's another one. It says how to make, so they can write pizza at the top. They can draw their 4 pictures from the sequencing cards. Now, if you don't have a board like this, you can also use a pocket chart, which works perfectly well in your classroom. And then they're going to write first, then, next, and last on the blanks right here. So typically this center is really great for first grade because they're learning how to write procedural text, which is a how-to story. And so recipes are a perfect way for them to practice their standard for procedural text. Now, if you want to have them pretend that they're eating their food, you can have place settings here. And I just got these plates off of Amazon. I have a farm set here. Or you could have a separate table with the tablecloth that they can take their food that they make. So if they make their pizza, they can take their pizza, they can put it on their plate, and then they can eat it. They can pretend to eat it after they write the recipe. Now this sign in the middle is just a chalkboard that I got from Walmart. The letters are from Walmart. I just hot glued the letters onto the chalkboard. I hot glued the sunflowers onto the side, and then I hot glued the little pictures of the farm around it. So everything you see here is either from Walmart or Amazon. Here's the little bags, the barn bags with the tissue. Then I have these little plastic bottles here with the pasta inside, and then the plastic bottle with the rice. So just to make it look like a little kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed my video of my farmhouse kitchen center. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.